Meanwhile, US President Donald Trump has confirmed that he recently discussed the possibility of buying Greenland, which is the world's largest island. He said that Denmark was losing almost about $700 million per year by carrying its burden. He also said that the United States protects Denmark and the deal would be a pretty good one. Listen in to what the US President had to say.
Well, Greenland, I don't know, it got released somehow. It's just something we talked about. Denmark essentially owns it. We're very good allies with Denmark. We protect Denmark like we protect large portions of the world. So the concept came up, and I said certainly I'd be strategically it's interesting, and we'd be interested, but we'll talk to them a little bit. It's not number one on the burner, I can tell you that.
Now, talk of Greenland purchase was first reported by the Wall Street Journal. The matter was later laughed off by some advisors, but was then taken up seriously in the White House. Now, Greenland has dismissed the notion. Its Foreign Minister, Ein Lone Bagger, has said, and I quote, "We are open for business, but we are definitely not up for sale." The former Prime Minister of Denmark, Lars Løkke Rasmussen, said on Twitter that it has to be an April Fool kind of a joke, and it is totally out of season in July. He said that the idea of selling it to the United States was quite absurd. Remember, Greenland is a self-ruling part of Denmark, located between the North Atlantic and the Arctic Ocean. It is dependent on the Danish economic support. It handles its own domestic affairs, while Copenhagen looks after the defense and foreign policy of this island. Now, Greenland is, of course, gaining attention from the global superpowers, including from the likes of China, Russia and the United States, due to its strategic location and also because of its mineral resources that remain untapped as of now. Interestingly, a defense treaty signed between Denmark and the United States back in the year 1951 gives the United States military rights over the Thule Air Base in northern Greenland.